Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to delete AliExpress account permanently. First of all, launch open AliExpress application. You can see over here AliExpress application has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to delete your account, tap on the account icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the account interface. In order to delete your account, you'll have to access the settings. For that, tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen right next to the bell icon. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various options related with settings over here. What you have to do is scroll down. Now at last, you'll be able to find the option for delete account. Tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure to read these informations very carefully. If you delete your account, all your personal data generated on AliExpress will be deleted and you'll no longer be able to use the services provided by AliExpress. This action is final and cannot be undone. Make sure to read all the informations very carefully. So if you want to delete your account, tap on this option, delete your account that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll have to verify your email in order to delete your account. So launch open the Gmail application. You can see over here, Gmail has been opened. AliExpress has sent me the email. Tap on it. Now in this email, you'll be able to find the verification code. Memorize this code or tap on the copy option in order to copy it. Now simply go back to the AliExpress application. Now what you have to do is enter that code over here. After you do that, tap on the verify option. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here it has been verified. You'll have to confirm to close the AliExpress account now. What you have to do is simply check on this option. Yes, I want to permanently close my AliExpress account and delete my data. After you do that, tap on this option delete account that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the process to delete your account has been started and your account is no longer accessible. So like this, you'll be able to delete your account. So that is how you delete your AliExpress account permanently. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.